Kraken card is expanding overseas. It's time for Kraken in 60. The new Krak card allows clients in the UK and EU to spend more than 400 crypto assets in fiat currencies anywhere MasterCard is accepted, with no fees and 1% back on all transactions. Coming soon, clients will be able to receive salary deposits directly in their Krak account. Kraken Ramp is now live, giving platforms a simple API to embed buy and sell crypto flows directly into their products. It's powered by Kraken's trusted, compliant infrastructure, global payment coverage, and deep liquidity. Most notably, this launch makes it easier for fintechs, banks, wallets, and Web3 platforms to offer secure global fiat-to-crypto access without building or maintaining their own rails. Kraken Forge, our first global engineering hackathon, is now underway. Participants will take on challenges based on real engineering problems at Kraken. Registration is open through December 4th, with final submissions due December 24th. This has been Kraken in 60.